Hello friends, today we'll be starting a new topic, that is charge, section 100. Charge is entirely different from mortgage. Let us first understand what is mortgage and then go to charge. Since you have covered mortgage exhaustively in the chapter of mortgage is kind of security, is a kind of debt on created or an immobile property. When a loan is given to you and a security is given to you for purpose of the loan, that is a debt. Means when a property is given to you and loan is given for purpose of the property, and to secure that loan, the property is taken, that is a mortgage. In case person is unable to clear the loan, clear the debt, then the person, the mortgagee, can enforce the security to recover the charge, recover the loan. That is called a debt. That is called a mortgage. Now, in case of charge, the same instrument is same instrument of mortgage or any other instrument. A person may create a charge, create a burden on the property, and create an instrument saying that during the lifetime of a person, income generating, a money coming, or during the person's duration, the lifetime, you may have to maintain somebody. That kind of instrument is called a charge. It can be either by operation of law or by act of party. So let us understand this by way of an example. See here, a father has gifted the son a property. Now in the instrument he says, till the mother is alive, you will have to take care of the mother. And in the same instrument, he has created a charge on the property. The mother has got a charge on the property till she is alive. The son cannot sell the property, even though the mother cannot put any restriction on the property, but she has a charge on the property. So that is what is a meaning of charge. So this is what a charge is created by act of party. Now let us revert back to the section once again. Now this has got two exceptions. Exceptions are that in case a trust is created, for example, a property is given to a minor. Obviously, a minor cannot hold the property. A trust has to be created. Trust means any person. It can be either a trust, physical trust, or a person, a legal representative holding the property till the person attains the age of majority. So whatever expenses he has incurred in maintaining the property, whatever income has to be paid to him, whatever charges has to be paid to him, till that charge is cleared, the person has a hold on the property. So this is what is one exception. Second exception to the provision is in case the property is transferred, in case the property is transferred and the person purchasing the property is not aware of any charge created on the property, then the person is not responsible. So the example which I had given you earlier by showing the same slide, in the same picture, father has transferred the property to son and told him to take care of the mother till she is alive from the income from the property. Now, in case the son transfers the property, sells the property to somebody else, and the person who's purchasing the property is aware of this transaction, is aware of the proceeding, is aware of the instrument. In such cases, the person who's purchasing the property will be liable. So the person who has purchased the property by operation of law, the lady has got a charge, the mother has got a charge on the property. That is what is by operation of law. Now let us go to the explanation part. Explanation part is the charge can be created by act of parties. One. Next one is by operation of law. As I give you the example, both by act of party and by operation of law. And the rules applicable in case simple mortgage will be applicable in case of charge. An exception to this is in case of trust. A trust is created and the property is transferred to the trust till the amount is cleared, till the charges which is borne by the trust, till the charges borne by the trust is cleared, the trust will have a charge on the property. And in case person purchases the property And if he is not aware of the charge creation of the property, and the property person who purchased the property for consideration, valuable consideration, is not aware of the transaction, then such person will not be bound by the charge. So this is the explanation for section 100. I hope the distinction between the charge and mortgage is cleared, and you're also clear with the meaning of charge, and the illustration which I have given you has made you pretty clear what is a meaning of charge. If you have any queries regarding this, please text me in the comment box so that I can reply as early as possible. Thank you.